Hey everybody, I'm Brandon with ShopperInformer.com, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Spinning Burn Rotator Machine, a great product by the Spinning Burn store. Let's get right into it. So what we have here is a fun physical fitness tool that can be used in a variety of different ways. One, just to help improve your general physical fitness routine that you typically got going on. If you're injured, or you're using it as something as part of a rehabilitation program, or just general maintenance. But let's take a look at what you get with the box itself. This is everything in the box. I include a nice little cleaning cloth here so you can wipe it down and keep it clean in between uses. Right? We got some fingerless gloves here in case you need that for a little extra protection on the hands. And then they're giving you a couple spools here of some wrap that you can wrap around the handles if you want some extra grip or some cushion for the hands. And then we've got the Spinning Burn machine itself. And if you take a look at this thing is well constructed, right? They have two different kinds that weigh different, between 8 or 12 pounds each respectively. But this thing is solid. Yes, nice stainless steel around the outside. And then the inner handles, they rotate 360 degrees non-stop, right, depending on what you want to do. And then if you want to change the resistance, you have your knob here and you can turn it up or down depending on what your particular need is. Personally, I love these types of tools. I do calisthenics and acrobatics at a pretty high level. So whether you're using this for strength and conditioning or something as part of a rehab program, you're going to be able to use this effectively to strengthen from near to far as you get stronger. I'm also rehabbing my arm right now. I have tendonitis on the inside elbow, but if you go to a physical therapy, you know, they're usually giving you a TheraBar of some sort and you're working on your internal and external rotation, whether that's close or far, so you can do the same thing. First things first, if you pick this up, we've got some really good weight, and the further you put it out, the more your shoulders are gonna have to work to keep things level. Now the question is do you wanna start here and work with internal and external rotation and seeing how far you can get, right? Are you gonna do it out here a little bit more distal away, right, feeling the burn, right? You can do this here, or then you can take it and you can bring it around kind of like you're on a speed bag, right? And you can use this here, right? This is going to have some nice engagement through the shoulders to maintain the weight at its particular level, right? But then as you start to get further away or higher up, right, you're going to have these different angles where you're going to be feeling the burn. And best part of all, yes, you can also adjust the tension here and make it tighter or stronger depending on where you're at in your workout, right? As you start to get stronger up here with less resistance, you might want to make it stronger and then bring it back in where you're closer and stronger, and then work your way back out, right? And literally feel the burn. This thing is a ton of fun for it being such a simple exercise device. At the end of the day, I really like this machine. Solid build quality that you can see and feel when you use it. Also, I'm really excited to see what the long-term effects are going to be for me as I transition from rehab back into strength training and general fitness, which means that this will be a great tool to add to your kit regardless of where you're at. So those are my opinions for the day, and to find more great reviews like this, don't forget to check out ShopperInformer.com. The link is down in the description.